Good afternoon, fellow friends and community members. I'm Dave. I'm the pharmacist who will be soon opening up a pharmacy here for your tribe here at the clinic, and grateful to speak to you today during this interesting time where we are concerned about our health and about, most specifically, the pandemic. And I'm sure many of you are bombarded with the news of vaccines, 2 of them coming out, and I have been asked to speak just a little bit today about those vaccines. They are 2 of them, one by Pfizer Corporation and the other by Moderna. They're both called messenger RNA vaccines, and those vaccines, like any vaccine, the purpose is to cause your body to generate antibodies as a defense against this coronavirus. They have both been tested in 30 to 40,000 people and have been tested quite successfully with very, very few side effects. Messenger RNA is a little bit different than DNA. DNA is our hardwiring. RNA is what gives the instructions to generate proteins in our bodies. And so what the vaccine companies have done is taken some synthetic messenger RNA and encapsulated that into a lipid core protein. The vaccine will cause an immune response by generating a copy of the spike protein. Now, the spike protein is a very small part of the virus, and the spike protein is the protein on the virus which causes the virus to get into the cell and to cause sickness. So what your body is doing is essentially making a very, very, very small segment of the virus, not the whole virus. It cannot infect you. It's not a live virus. And your body will react by generating antibodies to fight the coronavirus disease when you're exposed to it. As far as side effects, there have been reported the general side effects of redness at the injection site, a little bit of swelling, a little bit of feeling perhaps run down, and even a mild fever. And all of these things are very common with giving vaccines, since your body is mounting its own immune response. There have been a couple of reports just recently of the Pfizer vaccine causing an allergic reaction. So Pfizer, the English Health Board is recommending that those who have had severe allergic reactions not take the Pfizer product. Some questions. If you've had COVID, should I get the vaccine? Right now, the answer is yes. We don't know how long your immunity will last. We do know that, and we don't know how long this pandemic's going to last as well. So it will be important for you, perhaps not right away to get the vaccine, but in time plan for the vaccine. So the Pfizer vaccine will be coming out via IHS in probably about a week or 2 here. And then followed by that, after another week, will be the Moderna vaccine. Those will be given in 2-dose series. The Pfizer vaccine will be given on days 1 and then 21 days later. And the Moderna vaccine will be given on days 1 and days 28. So 2 doses in order to provide the immunity we're hoping each of us gets. And please follow up. There will be more information coming in subsequent videos. It's a very fluid situation. We're excited. We're grateful that the great miracle is that these vaccines have come out fairly quickly. and that perhaps there's some light at the end of the tunnel.